TKS Ilan Guan.
Thank you, Honorable Vice Chairman, sir. There are
Only 4 minutes
Yes.
at your disposal.
I'll take lesser than that, sir. There are only
Nothing
two
more.
issues. One is the extension of President's rule in the state. The other is the replacement of an ordinance by way of an amendment bill. This ordinance route I want to talk, sir. During the interregnum between the last session and this session, this government had passed 10 ordinances. Why? Because they don't want to have faith in the parliament. They want somehow to do certain things as a vote catcher, which will help them in garnering votes. These are all very simple things, sir. Giving reservation to the Kashmiris, increasing the reservation percentage is a welcome measure. We are in support of that. But how the government did not take this house into conference for that, they had brought an ordinance. Almost 10 ordinances are not in the history of India during the last 70 years. During the election period between, in the interregnum between two sessions, so much of ordinances were passed. This is the first time it has happened. That shows that the government wants to take advantage of this ordinance route for their electoral gains, beyond which I don't want to say anything, sir. Secondly, the government had accepted that they could not conduct one nation, one election. They have extended the President's rule in Kashmir. Just 2 months back, elections to parliament were held. They could not even hold one state election together with the parliament election. That shows that they could not fulfill their promise, or they could not go past what they have been talking about. Sir, there is nothing has happened in Kashmir, sir. In fact, the government was dissolved. President's rule was imposed only because of the failure of a fax machine. We know that. The governor could not get the fax letter from the person who wanted to become chief minister. So, there was a president's rule announced. These are all flimsy things. The governor should have waited and called the leaders and asked whether they could form government. That is how the governor should act. But whereas the governor in Kashmir did not follow the procedure, simply stating that I have not received the letter from the person, so I am dissolving the assembly and recommending president's rule. But you could not conduct elections simultaneously along the parliament elections. And you talk of one nation, one election theory. Sir, usage of Article 356 is restricted by the judgment of Mr. S.R. Bommai case. But this government has another way to overrule that judgment. And I don't know what is the necessity for extending the president's rule in the state for a further period of 6 months. That the government has not explained. What is the necessity? Why there should not be a state government? Why do you want to rule that state from here? Why should Delhi want to rule Kashmir? Why not election? Why not the people of Kashmir select their government? So, this shows that the government has no faith in democracy. This government has no faith in in constituting a government in the state to rule them, and I oppose this extension of period. Of course, the reservation I welcome, but I am against the ordinance route. Anyhow, that is a welcome measure that will do good to the people of Kashmir. But extension of president rule is against democracy, against all natural law. With these words, I conclude, sir. Thank you.